Hello, my beautiful people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Wherever you're watching me from, I'm greeting you from your time zone. Okay, so it's Esther Gabriel of EMA Global Realty, and I'm here today again to talk to us on our real estate investment. So, but before we do that, please kindly like, share, and subscribe. And also, thank you. I just want to thank you all for always watching my channel. So today we'll be talking on having a topic talking on commercial real estate basically. So today I just want to talk about why we should have or invest in commercial real estate, why you should have that commercial land or property, why you should be having that in your portfolio, not just having the residential part of it, but also having a commercial one as well. So one of the reasons why it's good you should invest in commercial properties is it generates cash flow. Unlike stock and bonds that they can just like they are structured to deliver regular dividends. So unlike having a stock, or maybe you have a bond as an investment, like if you invest in commercial real estate, you can be having monthly dividends. Like for our investors or those who invest, you can have your monthly returns. It could be monthly, it could be quarterly, it could be annually or yearly, as the case may be. The returns are usually great. It never goes wrong. It's always on the high side. You have this constant cash flow when you invest in a commercial real estate. When you have a commercial building, it could be maybe having a land which you intend to build. You could lease it, you could use it for any of the commercial purposes, be it a mall, having a school, having a hospital, having whatever business you want to do, warehouse, you just name it. You'll be cashing out monthly, annually. It could be monthly, quarterly, or annually. So that's how it works. So that's one of the reasons why you should have a commercial property. So if you don't have that, you should be thinking in that direction. Owning a commercial property gives you a very good edge to have cash flow, to always have constant return on your investment. So that's what it basically means. So another reason why you should be, or why you should invest in commercial properties is a tangible asset. Is a tangible asset. Real estate is a hard and a tangible asset, unlike stock and bonds, or let me just use stocks, which today is of value, tomorrow is of no value. That is not same with owning a commercial property. So when you own a commercial property, it always maintains this intrinsic value. The value does not depreciate in any way. Instead, it always appreciates. So that's one of the reasons why you should be investing in a commercial property, because it's a tangible asset. And these tangible assets may be used to produce either goods or services which will reflect in the property price. I know what that means. When you start reflecting on the property prices, that means you are making more money, and there will always be value, constant value on those properties, constant value on those goods and services which you are invested in. And through this, you can actually, either it could be rent, it could be for a lease, it could be for any other commercial purpose. You just name it. And this investment, they are never worthless. It never happens. It continues to appreciate in value because it's a tangible asset. Having a commercial property, having a commercial land, be it a land or a building or a commercial investment, is a tangible asset anytime, any day. So that's another reason for you to have that. Like today I said I'm going to talk about why we should be investing in commercial properties, or having a commercial investment. So that's another one. Then the third one will be inflation hedge. When you are buying a commercial property, you are having an edge against inflation. Whatever society you are, whenever you buy a commercial property, you already have an edge against inflation. So as the economy grows, more is charged for goods and services. That's very obvious. As the economy continue to rise, there will be the increase of charges on goods and services. And landowners may increase their rent. They can increase the rent charges, they can increase the lease charges, and even when you want to resell those properties or whatever you're doing on those properties, they continue to go high in price and high in value. So that's what it means. And as the growth of the economy continues to increase, it means that people will earn more money, and these investors or businessmen and women who have had these commercial properties, they continue to make more money, because people will not be paying more for rent and for their businesses or for their investment. So as people are paying more, the investor is cashing out big time. So that's what it actually means. And the last one on my list, because today I said I'll just talk briefly on why you should be having that commercial property, is it has a long-term profit, which I know everybody wants to hear. Cashing out, having a long-term profit is one good thing with commercial properties. When you invest in commercial properties in the market, you are sure your business will pursue long-term profits. It's never a short-term profit, and with a great opportunity and demand for you in the market space. So when you have that in your portfolio, owning a commercial property, it means you'll be having a long-term profit with opportunities, even the opportunities you did not expect. So it always continues to goes up, meaning it continues to appreciate. Commercial properties, they appreciate like from 100% to 200%. Now I'm going to if you'll be going through my channel, my pages, you will see that, okay, the properties which I actually sell. Like now I want to talk briefly on one of our commercial property, which is at Ibeju-Lekki. It's just before Dangote refinery. I'm talking about the wealthy place. Currently the wealthy place is going for 22.5 million naira. It's just facing the express. Now you can imagine if you have that land in your possession. I call it is a premium property, is a premium commercial property. It's just facing the express directly, and is before Dangote refinery. Now some smart investors have started investing in that very area, buying as much they can afford, and I can tell you for free, with initial deposit of 5 million naira, you can even spread your payment as much as a year. So that's one good thing about owning a commercial property. So now we have that wealthy place, as the name implies, for wealthy people, means it's going to give you growth in your investment. So if you want more details about having commercial properties in Lagos, you can maybe send me a message on my DM and we can talk more on that. But from what I've said today, you must have gotten, an insight on why you should invest in this commercial property. Okay, so I'll be signing off very soon. So thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing, liking, and sharing. So until I come your way again, feel free to drop any thing you want us to discuss on the comment section, and we'll be sure to take note and discuss on that. So until I come your way again, bye bye.